Oh yeah, with a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a Moparian time, or should I say it's a hell-killing time. That's right, it's about to be a hell-killing time in the Chargian. The Chargian hell-killians are in the building, ready to put those feet to the fire. And as you can see, I'm in the fire right now because it's hot. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy hell-killians down, or will the hell-killians light those Hellcat toes on fire and give the devil the worst beatdown he has ever had and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Shout out to Hot Police Pursuits. Shout out to them. Go check their channel out, y'all. We are in Little Rock, Arkansas. Little Rock always be jumping. Y'all got the #1 runners of all time, because y'all always running in Little Rock. Is it a competition to get away from the boys in blue in Little Rock? Because y'all love to run. Y'all don't care about no police. Okay. He out here looking for somebody. He definitely don't want the Kia K4. Okay. We ain't got no sound yet, but we know he out there looking. We know he out here on the prowl, looking for one of those hell-killians, those Hellcats, those Hell Kitties. Those monstrous cats, the wild ones. Oh, Kasha 300. Is that him right there? Oh, that's a wide body too. Blacked out. Oh, this happened on the 4th of July at 10 p.m. He ain't do nothing wrong right there though. Hold on now. He just got mofiled, y'all. Lights on. Yeah, but dude. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Hellcat toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Woo, he gone. Oh my goodness, he getting little so quick. Dang, look at the separation he created. He is out of there. Open up the wormhole. He's gone. This is crazy. He got busy. I don't see him, y'all. And I know my eyes is old, but they can't be that old. He disappeared into nothingness. He turned into fog. He literally went to hell. He literally went to hell. Now, how you know he turned down this street? You just guessing? Because it's Boogerville? Because it's Boogerville, that's why he went down this street. What is he doing? It's a wrap. It's over, y'all. He gone. It's over. He's out of there. I don't even think they could. Hold on. Let me pause it real quick. See what that says. That says on July 4th, 2026 at approximately 10:29 p.m. I was patrolling the area of Roosevelt Road under Interstate 30. I observed a black Dodge Charger that had an improper headlight traveling west on the Roosevelt Road. We're going to have to check that out, Werewolf Pack. He said it had an improper headlight. Now, I don't know what that means, improper headlight. What is an improper headlight? I don't know what that means, but that's what he said. The vehicle passed me, and the Dodge Charger did not have a license plate. I didn't see that either. We're going to check that out. We got to look into that. We got to investigate. I turned around and attempted to stop the vehicle by activating my emergency lights and sirens. The vehicle fled westbound on Roosevelt Road. The vehicle was traveling at a high rates of speed and into oncoming lanes of traffic. Due to a large number of pedestrians and traffic and vehicle traffic, I terminated the pursuit. That's a bold-faced lie. You terminated the pursuit because you couldn't keep up. You terminated the pursuit because you knew that car that you was in, that super extreme trash, was not going to help you out. Meet me in the comments. We got to do some investigating. He said he had an improper headlight. We got to see if he had an improper headlight. Let's see, y'all. Okay, here he come right here. Here he come right here. I want to see, where's the improper headlight? Is that him right there at the light? I don't see no improper headlight. Hold on. Is that him with the one light? Hold on now. Well, He ain't lying. The officer not lying. He does not have a headlight. He does not have a headlight. So actually, the officer was not lying. Sorry, Officer Ethan Holland. I was wrong. You were right. Good police work because he did not have a headlight. Let's see what else. He said he didn't have a license plate. Let's see. Well, maybe his headlight just went out because it is a man-made vehicle. It is a man-made vehicle, so maybe the headlight just went out. Oh, he doesn't have a license plate either. Oh, my goodness. He's just breaking the law all around. No headlight, we can get past that. But no license plate? Come on, bro. We looking at a striker, y'all. This is a striker. Whoever car this is, it's not his. Whoever car this belongs to, this is your Hellcat out here on the road breaking the law. You know you're going to have to replace the headlight, and he definitely does not have a license plate. So the officer was all the way right. He was all the way right. The only thing the officer lied about was what? He said he only terminated the chase because of the traffic. Officer, I'm looking at the car. It's leaving you. I'm talking about it's not even close. He's pulling away from you. Every second, he's pulling 20 to 30 feet away from you. Look at him. He's going. He's going. He's gone. You didn't terminate because of traffic. I don't see no traffic. You can't keep up. That super extreme trash lets you down. And it's okay. It lets everybody down. Only thing they good for is getting to and from work, going to the grocery store, and getting your family to the grocery store and all the events. And it looks good. It looks good while it's doing it. It ain't good for running from nobody. But with that being said, meet me in the comments and let me know if y'all enjoyed this police chase. The Hellkillians have showed us again that they are not, I said they are not to be played with. Make sure you get in those comments, like, comment, subscribe, and hey, don't forget to drop some of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. And hey, with that being said, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna leave you with some positivity. If you keep on doing wrong, act like you're doing right, but you know you're doing wrong, but you want to point the finger at everybody else. You want to look at the finger. You point at us. Look, heaven looking at you with the thumb, and it's 3 other fingers pointing at you, dummy. It's you. It's not them. It's not us. It's you. You keep doing crazy things. You keep doing stupid things, but you keep wanting to point the finger at other people. Man up, woman up, and admit your wrongs. Man up and woman up and admit that you are the problem so we can solve the problem. Once you admit that you are the problem, that's when you can solve the problem. And the whole object is to what? Solve the problem so we can get better, so we can get to this money and take care of our families. All I'm saying is stop pointing at everybody else and look in the mirror. You might solve all of your problems by just admitting you are the problem. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Slow your mustard ass down and take that ticket. But if you do want to turn your doofus, magoofus all the way up, or your diabolicism, can you please, and listen to me good, can you please do it in a Hellkillian?